Hey guys, welcome back to the Bitman Crypto. If you're new in this channel, first of all, hit the like button and also subscribe this channel so you will don't miss any single update from my side regularly. Alright guys, so let's zoom in. In this video, I'm covering up the Pancake, what exactly the Pancake is it, and also what they are doing and latest updates and what they are doing in upcoming days for PancakeSwap, which is almost around a $15.67. So if you look at the almost down to minus 20% right now, just because we know that the Bitcoin price is keep falling right now, and a lot of altcoin keep bleeding. Look at this market cap is just keep increasing, and within a 24-hour volume it's also surging up because whales trying to buy this token at a very low price. They really don't want to buy at the all-time high price. This is a middle range where everyone can afford it. So I guess we have to wait for a little bit more, because I guess the BTC falling even more, almost around the 23 or 27 something. So we have to wait for these level first of all. Then we think about it, where we need to grab this token. This much of US dollar, it's locked in their DeFi projects. That means it's contain a huge amount of liquidity. Guys, look at this. Fantastic news came from the sources. So PancakeSwap post a week with a 1 million unique wallet. That means it's linked with the DeFi project, and which is almost contain a huge billions of dollars of volume, and you can see is almost a $278 billion volume. Need to understand what they are doing and what exactly the use case of this. So now we are in a Twitter handle page of PancakeSwap, and we know that Twitter handle is amazing. If you really want to get some update from the Twitter handle, every project, they will always provide latest update, what they are doing and what exactly the future vision of this project. Everything they disclose this thing in a Twitter handle, so we have to follow Twitter handle regularly. So I wanted to share with you important thing which people didn't recognize it and people didn't remember it, what they are doing. So first of all, you need to understand this very important thing, which is a very tremendous good. Look at this graph, and they already say that web traffic and crypto exchange in 2021, these exchanges containing a less number of visit in April. Look at this one. This is the amazing and tremendous, way far better than any other exchanges. Look at this one. The PancakeSwap, it contained almost a 34 million visit in May, which is very fantastic. I love that. This is all about the PancakeSwap related. If you like the video, please hit the like button, also subscribe it, and get a little update from my side. Alright guys, thank you.